number is 10 more than 8? So we're going to solve 10 plus 8, but with addition we can switch our numbers and we can say 8 plus 10. So you can solve whichever one you're most comfortable with. But we're going to go ahead and look at our blocks. So here we have 10 blocks. All right, but we need to add those 10 to 8. So I know this is a little confusing because it says what number is 10 more than 8, but because we can switch our numbers in addition, I can start with either number. So I'm going to start with 10 and add 8. So let's go ahead and add 8. All right, so I left off with 10, and now I need to add 8 more. So let's count 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, and 18. So if you started the other way, if you started with, for example, 8 blocks and then you added 10 blocks, that's perfectly fine too. But I like working with the number 10 first. It's just easier. All right, so 10 more than 8 equals 18.